my beautiful friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna share with you a very special piece. I got it from my favorite jewelry brand, Van Cleef. This is a very unexpected items that I got it, and this one is my husband gifted me, and I'm very excited to share with you that, guys. So let's get into the unboxing. So Van Cleef comes with this bag, and here is a receipt. I don't need to share that with you guys. And here is a catalog, and here is a box. So here is a box, and this is a very special items from Van Cleef, and I am very excited. Are you guys ready? Let me do the unboxing. Here she is. It's inside the box, and I have not even opened it. Like, you know, it's been quite a while that we picked these items, and I have not opened it, so I'm very excited to see. Okay guys, let me see first. This is so beautiful and stunning. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! Here is my Van Cleef Holiday Pendant 2022. This is my first holiday pendant. I never bought before the holiday pendant, and this is my first holiday pendant, and I think this is very beautiful. So there is a story. I did not even plan to buy this holiday pendant. I saw online in Instagram that a few of the people posted that what's the holiday pendant gonna look like, and compare with this Hermes bag, the blue Tiffany bag. And I always liked the Tiffany blue colors. Around 2009 I was so much into Tiffany blue colors. So even my apartment, that time I used to live by myself, my apartment was like decorated with so many Tiffany blue colors. So when I saw this, I kind of like it, but I did not like, you know, even expect to buy or anything. And I never texted my essay about holiday pendant. So we're in the shopping center. We're actually in the Chanel boutique, and my essay Justin, he texted me saying that, hey Sabina, I just got permission that I can show you the holiday pendant. Would you mind coming if you are around? And I was like, I saw the pictures and I showed to my husband, and I said like, okay, I can come right now. I'm in Chanel. Like, Chanel was next door. And he said he was busy, but like the manager can help me. I said that's fine. And they were all nice there, so it doesn't bother me that I know who can help me. So I went there, and they showed me this one, and the story they were telling me was, I don't know if it's true or no, but they were telling me that it is very hard to find, and they pick the customer. I don't know how they pick it, and or it's just a story, or I don't know. That's what they told me, that not everybody get picked to buy this one. They pick the customer who can even view this necklace. So when they say like, I feel like, oh my gosh, I'm lucky. But if it's true, I'm lucky, you know. And the Van Cleef service, they're very nice. They will offer you tea, coffee, champagne, water, and their delicious chocolate. And I always love chocolate, and Justin know that I love their chocolate, so he always give me like few box of chocolate before I leave. So don't pass on those chocolate, they are very delicious. So back into this one. This is a very beautiful. I do not have any white gold. I have mostly my jewelry, they are all in gold. You see my vintage Alhambra, this one is also gold. And I have like all my jewelry, like my wedding ring is actually white gold, but my Van Cleef bracelet, my Cartier bracelet, my ring, they are all gold. I think it is good to have a different variety of metal collection. I have a small sweet Alhambra, that one is rose gold, and this one is now in white gold, and I love the color. I think the name of this is called the Saladin porcelain, and manager was telling me that it took 22 days to just make one necklace, and this is very special. And this is a birth color of my husband and my son, so I love it. And I kind of see this as like a Tiffany blue, but they call like a green, I don't know. And I also heard in the internet that they have a different shade of this color of this stone, but I did not get like in a choice of anything. I saw this and I packed it. I did not have like no idea at that point that there's a different shade. So let me take this out. And this is in white gold with small diamond in the middle. Look at how pretty is this. So beautiful.
Look at how pretty it is. It's so beautiful.
And there is a diamond in the middle. I love it. They were telling me that I can do engrave in the back. They were suggesting me to, like, you know, write my son names or my anniversary, like, you know, like anything I want to engrave, but actually I don't want to engrave anything. So this is how it looks in the back, and this is how it looks in the front. Look at this, how pretty is this? Let me try on. I'm wearing right now this vintage Alhambra, and let me try this one. I took my vintage Alhambra. There is a two like a ring that you can either wear like right over here, or if you want like a little bit shorter, you can put it on the second one. And this feels kind of a little heavy, and it feels really good quality. And also I feel like this pendant is a little bit thicker than the regular Alhambra. Let me see. Actually it is. This feels a little bit heavier than my regular Alhambra. And look at this, like the, see, this is a little bit thicker than my regular Alhambra. And even in the back, like, you know, it feels so thicker. Like, see, can you see? I'm trying to focus, but it's not focusing. This holiday pendant definitely feel a little thicker than this regular vintage Alhambra. Let me put this on. This is how it looks. Look at how pretty is this. Actually, I really like it. I don't have any like, I do have like a few white gold jewelry, but not that many, and I don't wear that many white gold jewelry. I think this is really beautiful. It's for chains, you know, it's white gold. I always wear gold, and sometimes it's good to have a chains. I like it. I put it that in the first ring. You can, if you want a little bit shorter, you can put in the second ring. And this is how it looks. What do you guys think? I know that some people like it, some people doesn't like it, but you know, I'm not gonna go for what people like it or no. It's my choice, and I like it. And my husband gifted me this. Is my first holiday pendant, and this is a very special piece for me. And also my son and my husband birth color is blue, so perfect. I love this Tiffany blue color. I love it. This is how it looks on my skin. That's all, guys. This is like a very special piece. I love it, and I'm so happy that we got it. I hope, like, you know, I can add more holiday pendant into my collection in future. I don't know what kind of collection what kind of, like, you know, color of stone they gonna come next year. Last year was a pink. I did not like that much, and I never get offer also from that one. I never think to buy that one, like, you know, I didn't care about it. But this is a very special piece. I love it. This is my first holiday collections pendant from Van Cleef 2022. I will always keep with me. I'm not planning to sell or anything. I never sell any items, you know. This is my new Van Cleef jewelry added into my collection. If you guys like this kind of video, unboxing, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, then please make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the thumbs up. And also go follow me on my Instagram, Sabina K Stone. I will see you soon in my next video. I love you guys.